Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy large files using a simple method. To do this, you need to download a tool. Just open your web browser and type FastCopy in the search bar. Now open up this link to get the software. Click on the installer, and the tool will start downloading by itself. Once the download is complete, install the setup file. Now, choose the file you want to copy. After that, select the folder where you want to copy your file. Now, simply click Execute to begin the process. Here, you can see how fast the copying is happening, and it also shows copy transfer rate. Let's copy this file using the standard Windows settings. In my experience, this tool is 3 seconds faster than the regular Windows copying speed, but this tool can copy large files faster, making it a good choice for older PCs or laptops with slower processors. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any queries, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more useful tips and tutorials.